So in this video, I will show you step by step how to use lip sync in CapCut. First up, after you open the CapCut like this, the first thing to do, you should import your image into the timeline. So now here is my image. I add the image in my timeline. So the next thing to do, you go to this basic. Under the basic, scroll to down and check on this lip sync. After you select the lip sync, then scroll to down. So here now you add in your text. So after you paste in your text, you can use voice. If you want, you can just click on this add voice to import the voice from your PC. But for this video, I'm using text. After you add the text, then you click on this more voices. So here it will give you different voices. Go and choose the voice you want to use. So for this video, I'm going with this one.
You're
This
using
voice,
the text-to-speech
American
feature.
voice.
Choose a voice
After
you
you select
like.
the voice, click on this OK. So the next thing, there is model. So under the model, I'll advise you to choose this expression. So by choosing this expression, it will make your image more natural, or it will make the video more natural. So scroll to down and click on this generate button. So now you should wait it to finish generating your lip sync to your image. So as you can see here, it's applying. So just wait it to finish working. And sometimes it will give you this error where it says paste not detected. Just click on this continue and wait it to finish working like this. So as you can see now, after waiting for some seconds, now the video has finished generating. Now here is my video. If I play the video, let's see how it talks.
A happy monkey lived in a tree by a river.
So as you can see now, here is the video. If I want, I should go back and add background to the image. So now I add background to my image. I'll play the video and see.
With a small island full of
So as you
tasty
can see, here is
fruits
the
just
video.
a
And
hop
that's it guys on
away.
how
A
to use lip
crocodile
sync in
couple lived
CapCut. Hope this
nearby
video
and
helps.
grew
Like and
jealous of the
subscribe. We'll
monkey's
meet in the
easy
next one.
life.